Good morning, it's Earth Day. Today's smoothie is dandelion greens. They're frozen, they're like cleaned and washed, and that's the same thing. Put in a Tupperware, frozen, and then they're really easy to pull out. So probably like half a cup of dandelion greens if you squished them all down, 2 chunks of crystallized ginger, half a cup of frozen blueberries, handful of goji berries, a half teaspoon of vitamin C powder, and a handful of, did I already say a handful of goji berries? I'm so sleepy. A quarter cup-ish of the Sancha Inchi protein powder, probably 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 2 Brazil nuts. I'm so hungry, it's gonna be good. Okay. It's pretty good. I forgot the tamarind. That would make it perfect. Okay, one last one. This is romaine, frozen spinach leaves, a bag of mixed berries, a bunch of hemp seeds, some hemp oil, some hemp milk, and a little bit of pomegranate juice, some Sancha Inchi powder, a dollop of peanut butter, the rest of the bananas that we chopped up for the last smoothie recipe, which were also frozen, some spirulina, and I don't know, partridge in a pear tree, pecos in a beanbag, and some vitamin C powder, and some chia seeds soaked, and some goji berries. I think that's everything. Let's watch. This one's gonna be pretty, I think. Wow, everyone is different. It's such a fun treat for yourself. Treat yourself. Treat yourself well, people. Love you. You are a speck of dust. You are the love that you trust.